Hey everyone! On the Welver channel today, I'll show you how to duplicate a page in Word. I'll be demonstrating in Google Docs, but the process is essentially the same. Go into Word, hold the Shift key and click the down arrow. Like this. This way you copy the content of the page you want to duplicate. Then on the second blank page, starting from the first line, right-click and select Paste. Make sure to use the top paste button, because if you paste without formatting, although you can paste without formatting, anyway. Now, just Ctrl+V. And that's it. It just didn't carry over the images, because this is Google Docs. There we go. And that's basically how it's done. We end up with two completely identical pages. The pages can be more filled with content, of course. That doesn't matter. Select to the right, like select the very top left corner, hold Shift and press the down arrow. Right-click, copy, and at the start of the next page paste, or just Ctrl+V. And that's all there is to it. This was Welver. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you!